Okay guys, today we're blowing up stuff. Well, I should say welcome back, but today we're using that microwave over there to blow up an assortment of things, and you guys will see later once we start blowing them up, but let's do this thing. Okay, so we're going to do a magic trick here. Can you see the cards and me?
No, not really.
Okay, well,
Stand in front of the light.
Okay, can you see the cards?
Yeah.
Okay, now you pick a card, any card. I'll go the bottom one. Okay. Now, do you see the card? Okay.
Yes.
Put it at the top of the deck. I'm gonna do a little shuffle, spin around. Okay, I think I got it. Is this your card?
By Jove, I think he's got it.
Wait, one more. Is this your card?
No.
Is this your card?
No.
Is this your card?
Yes! I can't see it on camera though.
Catch me outside. How about that?
I'll catch you in jail.
No, jeez. Click the button. Oh, 30 seconds. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey, you want a smaller chip bag? Just put it in the microwave. Yo, that is actually legit. It shriveled up like an old granny. Yo. Oh, you can smell it. You smell that. Oh, sorry, sparking. Wait, no, keep it. Oh my gosh! Wait, put it in for a little longer. I want an up closer view.
I don't want it to explode though.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Take it out. Oh my gosh! Whoa, there's ash flying everywhere. Put her in.
Hers don't usually put it in.
Wait, okay. What do you put? I don't know what I'm at. Got it.
This let
Oh, no. Oh, it's on fire.
don't breathe it in.
Okay, it's out. But it's on fire.
Oh.
Okay, it went out. Yes, queen. Get out of my shot. It's not hot. It's just hot. It's smoking. It's my girlfriend. Just kidding. I'm single. Hit me up, ladies.
Sure.
Okay, I have a boyfriend.
Yeah, right.
So what are we having for dinner? A deck of cards. I don't think anything's going to happen. Do you guys leave a comment down below? Food's done. Oh, it smells. Oh my gosh! Okay, put Mr. Trinity. You've been recording for 11 minutes. Catch me in jail. How about that? I'm gonna do that too, damn. Hashtag America.
Oh, it's just so bright.
You can't see it. Guys,
I knew that was gonna happen.
our
It's so
soup's
fun.
done.
Soup's done.
Dinner's ready.
Mom, dinner's ready.
It's a burnt crown. You're a genealogist thingy-majibs.
The broken fidget spinner.
We're gonna do it for your viewing pleasure.
Microwave the baby.
Let's do this thing.
Your camera keeps getting good pictures of my booty.
I'm gonna keep those in.
Low key thick up in here.
That's gonna be my thumbnail. I found a really good chick, and I'm just gonna have your butt as a thumbnail. It's hot on this spot. Maybe because it was. Okay. So guys, for our next option, I need the light. You know what? Fine, screw you. I've got my own light. See? It's got my own light. I'm advanced. We're going to light this fidget spinner on flames.
Yeah.
Wow, great show.
I know, right?
It rolled.
Great discovery. We're just all sitting here like, oh, waiting.
I'm asking for ideas of what to put in.
Oh,
Something popped.
here was my brain. Because I'm out of ideas.
The floor is original.
I think the egg in the inside might be expanding and cracking the shell.
Oh, yeah, it's...
Wait.
Wait.
Open it up.
It needs more time. Not done yet. The floor's original content.
I'm just gonna put on Snapchat, give up. Oh my gosh!
Dinner's ready!
The egg on the inside is somewhat cooked.
I need the picture of this.
Get a nice high resolution photo.
Get a nice low resolution photo.
I'm gonna need to get a thumbnail. And just literally put fire on there, just be like, an egg exploded and was set on fire.
No, they're exaggerating.
This is why you just need to have your phone fixed. You can record this with good quality.
It smells like an air balloon, a balloon.
We'll just do the rest of the time on here then. Can we crack it open before it explodes?
Yeah, see what's on the inside. Get some
What
dinner.
if it explodes before then?
Well, then there goes dinner.
There goes
I mean, rip dinner.
Wait, didn't we already eat?
You don't talk about it.
We already ate. Oh.
Oh.
Take it out, Austin.
I
Okay.
don't even know if I want to touch it.
Let it sit and then put it back in.
What is this? Why do you guys have like a circuit board in here?
Because
Oh,
that's...
that's from a DS.
Ah.
We microwaved a DS circuit board last night.
I got it with my foot. I'm a wizard, Barry.
You go try to find another egg in the grass.
Oh my gosh, that was loud.
Eggs are bombs, confirmed!
Every minute, 60 seconds passes in Africa. By donating today, you can stop this atrocity.
You can see noise.
Yeah, there's the camera stuff. It's called, like, the fuzziness. It's called noise.
I'm at
See
12%.
noise?
Yes, I can see the noise.
I'm at 12%.
I thought you heard noise.
No, you can see it.
I
Oh
feel
my.
noise.
You feel noise? What is wrong with you people?
Okay, who's more legit, feeling or seeing noise?
Or hearing, which one?
I smell it, man.
I can smell noise
A
from
mile
a mile
away.
away. Jinx, you owe me a Pop-Tart.
So, leave a hype in the chat if you want it to be smell. Leave a dab in the chat if you want it, if you want it to be feel. Leave a whip in the chat if you want it to be hear. Leave a nay in the chat if you want it to be taste.
Sure, it's just not gonna cook the potato.
And give a 420 if you can do all of it.
Give a 420 if you can do all of that with noise.
Sure. What about taste?
I just said taste.
Oh.
Did you?
Yeah.
What if it doesn't explode?
Well then dinner.
Song.
Oh my gosh!
See, I told you we'd have a campfire.
Okay, now we need copper.